Hi everyone, welcome back to this course where we learn Fusion 360 together. Now we've logged in, let me show you. This is my account where you log in. You have your preference and everything, your profile. So make sure you download the Fusion 360 and log into your account. I want to do a quick software tour. So here is Fusion 360. The first thing we have is the data panel. If I click here, we're going to see the data panel. You can create a new project like I just created this text passion project. You can see I can pin it or unpin it from here. And we have my recent data, we have admin project, default project, and things like that. So I'm going to close this here. Next to that, we have the file menu, the save button, undo and redo, and this is the home button here. Down here we have the change workspace button. You can see here I am on the design workspace, but we have other workspaces like generative design, render, animation, simulation, manufacture, drawing. I believe we're going to be in the design workspace for a long while. Down here we have the browse, and this is our sketch component and layers. So you can see here I can show and hide things. We will see more things over here as we design stuff. This is our main menu. You can see it's divided in multiple sections. There's a create, automate, modify, assemble, configure, construct, inspect, insert, and select. This is our file name, which is untitled. Obviously, I haven't given it a name yet. If we go over here, we have this plus sign that allows me to add more files. We can close them from here from the X if we need to. Next to that, we have extensions. I don't think we're going to be needing any extensions anytime soon. Next to that, there is a timer looking icon that has no name, so I really don't know what that is, but I'm going to skip over it for now. I'm sure we're going to learn about this one in the future. This is the notification center. This is the help center. Down here, we have this cube where it shows and help us change the orientation of the sketch panel. And there is a home button here. So you can see if I rotate this, or I can click and just move it around. If I want to go back, I can click the home button and that will bring it back. So this changed the orientation and the way I look at the design. Down here, let me click that. Down here is going to be the history of our edits to the project or the design. We will see that in action when we start building in the next video. Down here is just a quick handy tools for like zoom in, zoom out. This pan, this is like a hand that helped me move the sketch around. The look at allow us to look at our sketch or design from a specific angle. And we have the orbit tool that let us basically spin things around, just similar to the cube on top over here. So you can, and then you can click the escape key to exit out of these tools. And if I click back to the home, I'll get back to the neutral or default position. Speaking of default, I'm going to leave my preferences and setting set to the default to make it easier for you to follow along. So this is it for a quick tour. Let's go ahead and design something in the next video. So I hope to see you in the next one.